tray mounts. What's so special about tray mounts? Why do we do the tray mounts the way we do? And why do you think it's the most important part of your tray or canopy build? So when it comes to tray mounts, obviously they're not all created equal. Steel, aluminium, there is a big difference. We've spent the time to design, develop and test aluminium tray mounts, heavy duty solutions for our trays that bolt to the vehicle, bolt to our tray and ensure they last the test of time. And our lifetime warranty for design and workmanship, we can offer that on these products. So with the tray mount, obviously all the vehicles have a different tray mount. Ranger, Land Cruiser, Cruiser and a Silverado. These ones are all used in different positions on the vehicle, so they're all going to look slightly different, but they're all the same core design methodology. 10mm router cut aluminium, fully welded aluminium with MIG and some TIG welding. Set up for your bolts. We use high tensile bolt kits with these, so we use a galvanized steel high tensile bolt. And the reason we've done that is, in the early days we started out doing the trays, we always did a bolted aluminium connection for our mounts to the vehicle and the tray. We knew that a fully welded mount wasn't going to work. Rubber bushings underneath the tray mount with the vehicle just created flex. And as that rubber perished over time, we had issues with these trays, you know, on the vehicles, bolts were coming loose, things like that. What we've worked on is coming up with a system that works time and time again to ensure that the tray mount will work on any vehicle in any application, no matter the environment this vehicle is getting used on. Something like a Land Cruiser 79 series. So big strong mount there, plenty of strength in that. You've got your framework there, your mount bolts go there to the vehicle, and then the tray will sit in here and will bolt through there. Really simple design when you look at it, but years and years of design, testing, tweaking, getting that set up working perfectly on our trays is what, you know, we think puts us in a position to say, yep, we're the expert when it comes to tray mounts. Vehicles like the Ranger, the Super Duty Ranger, we've had to develop an all new mount with that. Any of the mounts that we do, we will do our own independent engineering. So we've got in-house engineers, and then we will outsource to external engineers to get validation of our design, and we'll get the engineering certification to say, yep, what you've done, it ticks the box. We're happy to say that that is structurally sound. It's not going to fail. It's not going to give you any issues. When you're looking at a tray or you're talking to a tray builder, ask to see the mounts. If they can't show you a photo of the mount, be worried, be concerned. We can send you photos of the mounts. We can send you images. We're happy to share these things because we've spent the time developing them. Anyone that says, oh, it's just the mount, a bit of angle, bit of steel, the job's be done, it's not enough. When you're going on a holiday, it's a trip of a lifetime. You've waited 3 years to go for a 3-month trip, driving around the country. The last thing you want when you're in the middle of nowhere is your tray mounts letting go, ruining the trip. You're sitting there, the missus are in your ear. Why did you do that? These are the things that we do to ensure you don't have that problem. Next time you're at a Norwell branch, drop in, have a look, come check out our vehicles at the shows, or if you see one on the road, chuck your head underneath and have a look, and you'll be pleasantly surprised. Any questions for the team, drop a comment below. We'll get to them when we can. Otherwise, give us a call, jump on the website, and we'll talk to you soon.